What's up, guys? This week we're going to do a couple things to the GS-R. It has been a long time since we've done anything to this car, but I've just been basically daily driving it and it's just filthy. I also got to fix something that I broke in the back. I'll show you that in a second. But yeah, car's been excellent. But this thing has not gotten a bath since, I don't even know, maybe last fall, if that. Look at all this exhaust soot. That's all from the exhaust. It's even up on the spoiler. I just figured this week we'd just kind of get this thing refreshed again, especially it's summertime. Maybe I could swing into a car meet or something if I was bored, even though I still haven't gone to one since I moved out here because they look terrible. But anyways, at least it will look a little nicer, look not so neglected. Also, see how well this Rust-Oleum turbo can held up over the winter. And just remember, this paint has no clear coat on it whatsoever. This is just the paint. I also lost one of the windshield trim pieces, so I probably have some laying around. I have brand new ones, but I don't want to put them on yet, or brand new clips, because I want to wait till I paint the car completely, like actually paint it. But yeah, anyways, maybe we'll find one of those to slap on in the junkyard. So what I broke in the trunk is my third brake light. I had a steering knuckle in here because I was going to buy a set of wheels and wanted to make sure they're 4x100 because the guy didn't know. And they ended up not being 4x100, but I forgot it was back here. I took a sharp corner and the top of the knuckle swung over and grabbed this because I still never tucked the wire up because I was going to do something different with the third brake light, but I gotta get that back in just for safety wise. Hopefully it didn't rip out of here. This also melted because of how hot it got last summer, so I gotta find a new situation, but at least get this wired up for now again. Anyways, I'm going to pull this thing out and get washing on it, and then I'll pull it back in and do the rest of the work. Looks a little better. I didn't go full detail on it. I just wanted to give it a quick scrub and get the dirt off it and the bugs. And that's still wet. It's not really that shiny, but you know, we can pretend it is. So overall, there's definitely a bunch of little chips, especially here. This thing is just like a bug scooper. But I mean, driving the interstate, which is 80 miles an hour, so you go 80-ish on there, and pelting bugs as well as gravel and stuff off of semis, not too bad. I had one chip that was literally like 2 days after I started driving it, after I painted it, from a truck slung like a big rock like that. And it would have clear coated the car, but the intention was to just get all matching one color for now. And then I was gonna get some more body parts, like I wanted to get a Mugen Rep wing and stuff like that before I got it actually painted. And then my whole work truck situation happened, and it's taking like 6-7 times longer than it was supposed to take. So now I'm just way too broke to buy aftermarket stuff for it, so it's just gonna be a beater for now. Maybe hopefully someday down the line I can get it actually painted right and get the modifications done to it that I wanted to get. But for now, it's just been a good daily, fun car, and AC, all that stuff. If you want to check out the videos from when I got the car, when it was like wrecked and all that, go look at the thumbnails. It's called like GS-R Rescue and Revival, I titled them. I gotta make like a little playlist, so if someone wants to watch the whole thing, but I gotta figure out how to do that. I'm not that smart yet with YouTube. But yeah, this thing has, I believe, like 207,000 miles on it now. Yep. And I believe when I got the car I had about 197-ish. I can't really remember, but I've put thousands of miles on this car, and it's mostly interstate miles. One of these days I'll have to clean up the engine bay again, but not today. I got other stuff I have to get done, but still looks good. Valve cover looks good. Anyways, I'm gonna fix the rear third brake light quick. I'm not gonna tuck the wire in because I need to find a new one anyways. If you do know like a good brand that's not gonna melt in the heat, let me know, because if I get a decent one, then I'll tuck everything up there so it's not so ricer. Alright, that's good to go. Now, another thing that's been bothering me that I want to see if I can fix, since I got the car, I actually just put a new ignition in it too because the other one went bad, but this is all floppy. So I'm just going to find some screws, put them in there. Hopefully the receiver part of the screw is still good up there. I forgot these 3 screws are kind of unique and I can't find any. I know I have some somewhere, but these will work for now because they're kind of like a screw, but they also have like a bolt thread to them, the factory ones, but these will work. Alright, we're mint now, no more flopping around. Alright, lastly I just want to vacuum it out. My dog goes everywhere with me, and she is a fur monster, so another reason why I'm just waiting on my dang truck, because it just makes it easier having her in the bed of the truck, doesn't get in the interior, whatever. Anyways, just rant over. This is also a spare tire I got for free. A coworker was like, I got a Honda spare for my wife's old car and I don't need it. And I got a free spare now. So much fur everywhere. Alright, it's a little better. Like I said, I'm not doing a full detail on anything, especially because she's just going to be riding in here again, but that's been built up since like fall. This thing has like literally been my work truck since my work truck has been down, and I've been waiting on it for 13 months now. It kind of gets used and abused, but I still take care of the car overall, especially with maintenance and all that, so just can't wait to get my truck back so I can start making this kind of more of a weekend daily rather than a daily and work truck and beater. So it'll be a little nicer overall, do some more modifications to it. Before we go for a quick drive, because I keep forgetting in my other videos, I'm going to update you on the parts car part out profit. So any of you who watch all my videos, that sedan, Integra sedan that I was parting out, I was doing kind of a list just to show you that it's worth buying these cheap cars to part out and make extra money on. So this is a list so far of money spent and money earned off the vehicle. I could have made a lot more money when I sold the swap and the shell. I sold it together because it's just easier that way, because I still don't have my truck to tow stuff to the scrapyard, so I just let the chassis go with the swap, but I still have the doors, trunk, interior stuff like the tan seats, etc. But there was a lot of stuff on the chassis I could have pulled off and sold, like smaller stuff. But anyways, so far cost on the car was $500 for the car, $12 for fuel to drive it back, and then I paid my neighbor $20 to load the chassis with the swap onto the guy's trailer. So total cost would be $532, and so far parts sold altogether $935, which means total profit so far is $403, and got plenty more parts to sell off the thing, so it's just profit from here. I mean, just selling the brakes almost made my entire money back off the car. So anyways, let's hop in the car and go for a ride. I just wanted to give you guys a little update because I kept forgetting to put updates in my other videos. Yeah, one more thing. I had a few people wanting these smaller Jesus Save stickers, so if you want one, hit me up on Instagram. I have a pin post up there to show you how to buy one. It's just a smaller version of the big one that I got in my EF hatch. And I also have the badges and the basic Conjo Brothers stickers. If you want to support the channel and pick up a couple stickers, go right ahead. Appreciate it. guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Got a little bit of Honda content finally. Like I said, work truck situation has been a nightmare, so that's why I haven't had anything exciting lately, because I don't have the money, because it's all invested in my truck. But I appreciate you guys that have been sticking around and watching my videos anyways, even though they're trash. But we also have some nice weather coming our way, so maybe we'll go on a mountain run with the Civic or something. I gotta do a couple maintenance check things on that too, so maybe we'll make it a whole video. I don't know, we'll see. Playing it by ear, been super busy with work and all that. But anyways, if you did like the video, I appreciate a like. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the builds and the projects, and follow my Instagram, Conjo_brothers, if you want to see more content on there, stay up to date with things and see sneak peeks. And check out my links below if you want to find some good deals on things, from LED lights to car cleaning products, anything in between, and use my discount codes, save some money. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.